So sometimes less is more. And I actually really do believe that. I make these crazy Mishloach Manot, but sometimes just simple, gorgeous, like 1 or 2 amazing ingredients, and people will love you. So this is what I'm going. Not that we're doing this for other people's love, but we're doing it because it's a mitzvah. All right. So what I have here is the simplest of Mishloach Manot. I've got some crackers, and into there I'm doing some kosher, amazing blue cheese. There's another one. Some honey to drizzle over the cheese, some more honey sticks. Should we put that facing the right way? A little Auchentoshan 18 is going in there as well. And like, tell me that is not the most beautiful, uncomplicated of Mishloach Manot. Blue cheese and honey and crackers and some gorgeous 18-year-old whiskey. And all we need to do is tie that up. And how elegant and beautiful and appreciated would that be as a Mishloach Manot? Like, just like one simple white ribbon to tie it all together, and you will be absolutely Queen Esther for the day. Okay, let's just cut our ribbon. This is like closely becoming my favorite Mishloach Manot ever. How beautiful is that? I'm just like, sometimes simplicity just gets me in its beauty. All right, see you soon.